In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your games on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to record what you are playing on Roblox using your smartphone, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and launch the game that you want to play or you are playing. Now before you start playing, you can go ahead and turn on the capture video option. Now to do this is quite simple. Just head over to this more option and then choose this option called captures. Now here you'll have capture enabled, and from this you can either capture screenshot or you can capture video. To start capturing your video as you play, go ahead and tap on capture video, and this will go ahead and launch the capture. As you can see, now everything is being recorded. Once you are done with the capture, you can go ahead and tap on it again, and that will save the video capture that you have just recorded. To remove this capture icon, now head to menu again and just tap on captures, and that will remove that capture option. So that's how you can capture video of your games on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.